Item categories. Item categories are a way of organizing items or products within a business or organization. They are often used to classify products based on their characteristics, such as their type, size, color, or intended use. This can help businesses to better manage their inventory, track sales, and generate reports. There are many different ways that item categories can be defined, and the specific categories used will depend on the needs of the business. For example, a retailer may use categories such as clothing, electronics, and home goods, while a restaurant may use categories such as appetizers, entries, and desserts. Item categories mainly used for reporting purposes. You can create item categories from items, list, item categories, click add category. Enter item category name and save. After you create item categories, you can view list of item categories. You can sort item categories by clicking these headings. You can sort ascending or descending order. From search, you can search item categories. You can export item categories to CSV file. From actions, you can edit or delete item categories. However, if you have any transactions with this item category, you cannot delete that. In addition to that, when you are creating items, you can add item categories. Here, if that category not available, you can add new category and create your item category. You can generate reports from item categories. You can select item category and you can view the report. Like that, you can create your item categories.